That's what's happening today. I am going to get Landon started as an alternative baby, a fusion of fantasy, Japanese. We'll just do it as we go, have fun. And then all these other little guys, and I got all the 5 babies I made last round. They are all dressed and assembled and double checked, and they are ready to be photographed. So if I can get up early tomorrow, I would like to start getting them photographed and listed. Just a heads up. Let me see if I can't grab these babies real quick and give you a sneak peek if you want to see them. But it'll also give me a chance to get their hair combed a bit and get them ready for photos tomorrow. But I'll have to do it quickly because I am boiling in here. I'm going to use my pretty little pillow that my YouTube friend Alita sent me. Here is Jenny. And she has a messy, messy head. So let's get her hair combed up real quick for pictures tomorrow. Bountiful baby, Reborn. Cute baby. She has kind of hazel blue eyes. They're gold and blue. So pretty. I have a client who's been asking me to make this baby, so I finally did. Here we go. Her hair is not as fine as I would normally use on a baby this big, but the color was perfect. So even though it is not pluggy, you can really see where it goes in, just because, again, it's a little bit thicker, but it's still pretty. I love it when I get a good match. I just paint them and then I cross my fingers and hope I have mohair that is going to work. Usually I do, or I get pretty darn close. There we go. She had a little crab onesie on, a little crab in a shell. So cute. Her feet turned out really cute too. Let's see, let's get her put away. There she is, Miss Jenny. And next is Miss Priscilla. This is the palest baby I have ever painted. I don't think I've ever done a baby this pale. But once again, you know, I listen, and there were a few people here and there who have said, do you ever do really fair babies or pale babies? And I say, you know, occasionally, not so much. And I thought, well, you know, let's challenge ourselves and go for it. So I did. And I think she came out pretty cute. For me, she looks very ghosty. But it's just because I'm used to painting babies with very deep skin tones. So for me, this is a very, very, very pale baby. Let's give her this cute little headband. She has little ice cream cones. She has cute little socks I made. I'll give you a closer look. She's a really pretty baby. This baby has such delicate features. Let's give you a quick look. There she is, Miss Priscilla. Oh, and this is Miss Kelsey. Look at how sweet she is. I love this baby, and I feel so guilty that I really didn't want to paint her when she came out. I thought, ooh, this old wrinkly stuff, I'm not a fan of it. But it looks great. And she has a little soft pink knit hat and little swans on her leggings. Little Burt's Bee t-shirt onesie, cute little sweater. She's in a preemie size. Everything that I had that was preemie it just wasn't making me happy. So I just pulled together parts and pieces that I had in my closet and made a little outfit for her and put some cute little bows on her little gray socks. I like things that aren't too matchy-matchy. Let's see if we can get her up here to give you a good look again. There she is. So tiny. I love this baby. She looks a little funny under these lights, but in person, she's gorgeous. And this is one of those babies that I think looks good in the mustard yellow. You let me know if I'm wrong. Let's get her hair tidied up a bit. Her hair has a thicker texture than I would normally use. Again, it's just because I really wanted this color hair. When I started painting her, she had vintage brown glass eyes, and I loved them. They made me so happy. They were this dark chocolate brown, and I could not get them to fit in the pockets in her head. So they were constantly going in, and she was going cross-eyed, and the glue, the glass, and the vinyl weren't being friends. I got so frustrated. So these eyes were what I had to go for. My vision was super pretty, deep brown eyes. And these are pretty eyes. I just wanted her to have brown eyes. I do need to get some acrylic brown. I don't use a lot of glass eyes. I'm going to give her nails just a little bit of a touch up there. You know what? I'm going to gloss up her lips too. She had varnish on her lips, matte varnish, so when I was putting on the gloss, it was kind of beating up and not doing its job. So I think I'm on my maybe 5th coat of gloss on her lips. I don't want them to be lipstick shiny, but I do want there to be a wet middle there. I'll do a little bit inside of here. Since I'm here, we'll hit all the bases. I think she's cute. I also have these really cute knee socks with elephants that have the same mustard yellow polka dots in their ears, and I may photograph her wearing these. The problem is they're meant for like a larger baby, but I think in photography it'll work, and I absolutely adore these socks. So I'm gonna do that. I like her little dress in bloomers, and this was a mustard colored hat that I had that I put some of my little buttons on. It's kind of, I don't know, it looks very fall. And she's so pretty. My goodness, she's pretty. This little chunk is so heavy, my goodness. I weighted her very well. I like a heavy baby. And I was just trying to remember if I'd magnetized these babies. And I don't think I did. I am so bummed. I'm going to have to kind of take everybody apart and get their magnets in. When I first started, I never magnetized a baby. I just waited till people requested it. And then little by little, what ended up happening was I was taking babies apart and putting magnets in almost every single baby. So I said, oh my goodness, people really want the magnets, so just get it in there. And now I magnetize every baby, and then if people don't want the magnet, I'll take them apart and take it out. But I'm so bummed I forgot to put magnets in everybody. I thought I did. I think what it was I magnetized the twins, and I just assumed I had magnetized all the babies, but I didn't. Well, that's what I'm going to be getting up early tomorrow to do. Put magnets in babies, and I don't like ripping off babies' heads. It makes me sad. And she has a little headband that I made with my little buttons. She's got these cute little pink and blue flowers. Little blue Mary Jane socks. Cute baby. And Brooklyn has those kind of little boxer arms with those nice big biceps. So she looks best, I think, in a long sleeve or kind of, you know, a 3/4 sleeve shirt. But I love the way this little denim, you know, it's almost like a bubble romper. Denim overalls look on her. She looks very cute. There she is. I love this sculpt. I love all these sculpts. What am I saying? I'm glad I went through them because now I know I must get up early tomorrow and magnetize all those poor little babies. I think I might just leave this like here for tonight, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'll be ready to go. Well, that's it for me for tonight. I will keep you posted as we move along. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Hey, everyone. This is Gabrielle from St. Cloud Nursery. I just wanted to pop in and say hi. Hope you're all doing well. And a big thank you to everyone who's been watching and commenting. I'm so happy. You have no idea. I feel like I'm having an art play date with a lot of friends. It's really cool. A while back, I made an avatar baby using the Lane Sculpt from Bountiful Baby and just some basic acrylic paints. If you haven't seen the videos, go check them out. And I promised that I would give this avatar away, and I haven't. I completely forgot. And I'm thinking, it's October, let's do it. It's almost Halloween. It's a great time. I think what I'll do is on the 19th of October, I will pull names the old-fashioned way, and whoever wins gets the baby. I'm asking that people do chip in for the shipping. I think I can get him in a flat rate box, so it'll probably be about 20 bucks. I think that's fair. He's kind of a cool baby. I do want to start off by saying that I am not monetized. I am not trying to collect information or get likes or subs or hits or follows or anything like that. This is just a fun way to say thank you for you to enter. One will be here on YouTube. Just comment down there and say, I want to win that baby. And then I will just write your name down. A while back, I did a giveaway on YouTube, and the person who won, I couldn't find a way to contact them. So I ended up donating the baby, and I don't want that to happen again. So if you do enter, make sure you check back and message me and give me your contact information so I can ship this baby out to you. The other way that you can win is go over to Instagram. It's hashtag St. Cloud Nursery, I believe, and just private message me and let me know, hey, put me in that drawing for the avatar baby. I want to win that baby. So this is the avatar that I made. He is not dressed, and I have him laced in his belly plate so you can see him. He also has a tail that is made out of silicone, and it has a magnet that sticks to the magnet in his body. I'll send that with him too. Isn't he cute? Oh, these ears drove me crazy when I was making him for sure. I'm gonna miss him, but I'm so happy he'll go to somebody who will love him. Go ahead and enter, and I will pull names October 19th, 2020. And if the winner does not respond to me within a week or two, I will pull a second name and let them know and go ahead and send that baby off. And that's how I'm gonna celebrate autumn this year. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe, stay well.